Your CAD model looks perfect on screen. But is it manufacturable? In the world of high-precision CNC, the gap between design and reality is bridged by DFM. The DFM philosophy. It's not just about cost, it's about success rate. By optimizing wall thickness, hole depths, and corner radii, we convert engineering theory into high-yield reality. AI-powered preemptive audits. At ELS, we utilize generative AI to scan your step files for potential failure points. We fix the 1% design flaw that causes 99% of manufacturing delays. Precision ROI. Strategic DFM can reduce unit costs by up to 25% without sacrificing functional integrity. We don't just find problems. We engineer solutions for your margin. Collaborative intelligence. Our 24H technical review is a standard gateway for every project. From aerospace tolerances to medical-grade finishes, we ensure your design intent survives the spindle. Stop guessing. Start building. Send your step files for a 24H comprehensive DFM audit. Turn your vision into verified hardware with LS Manufacturing.